craziest thing. I love for girls who hate to love me because they're just like me.
Certain girls
Touch her hand and ran it up my thigh. I licked her lips, I pulled my hair, I fall in love for a night. She can't behave, and I'm just the same. Don't worry, I'll be gone when the morning comes. Darling, what is going on? Honestly, that never happened. Lying is your favorite passion. Leave me. Go on, you be wrong. Higher heels and lipstick napkins. Dying is your latest fashion.